Hi everyone, Jordan Gummer here with Uncommon Ground. This holiday we're putting together some mulled wine baskets for some of our clients. So today we just wanted to show you what all goes into it and what the recipe is because it is delicious. It's the perfect warm, cozy holiday drink. So this is what our baskets are going to look like. They come with everything you need in them. All right, so I've already got my bottle of wine in here. A Merlot or a Pinot Noir work perfect for this. And then we've got a cup of brandy, 1 cup of apple juice. You can use water or apple cider as well. We've got 1 orange that's been juiced and zested. 1/2 cup of honey. You can also use raw sugar, but we prefer to use the fresh honey. All right, and then we have all of our spices. We've got 2 cinnamon sticks, 6 whole star anise, 1 tablespoon black peppercorns, 1 tablespoon green cardamom pods, 2 teaspoons whole cloves, 1 teaspoon allspice berries, 1/2 teaspoon ground ginger. You can use fresh ginger as well, peeled. We're using the crystallized ginger just because we are giving these away as gifts. And then 1 fresh nutmeg pod. Just dump all of them in. So we did put these in just little nice plastic bags. We originally had them in muslin bags, but they were a little too small. And you actually get some more flavor just letting them free float in the wine as well. So we're gonna put this on the stove on low. We don't wanna boil it, we don't wanna simmer it. We wanna let it warm up for at least a 1/2 hour. The longer you let it sit, the more spice and flavor you're gonna get. Then once we're done, we're gonna strain it and we're gonna put it in some nice cups with a cinnamon stick and a slice of orange. Our wine is ready to come off the heat. We've had it warming up for the 30 minutes. So we're just gonna strain it and then we're gonna put it into some nice fun glasses. Alright. We've put a cinnamon stick in here along with an orange slice. We're just gonna pour our mulled wine in. It smells so good. Cheers!